This is the locking nut that's securing the cam that we have to replace today. Ran some problems with the cam last week on the main sheet. Started falling apart. The housing that holds the ball bearings in place, I just noticed that they were falling down, and so the cam is no longer active. So if you take a look at this cam, this here should spring back, and it's not springing back. Like this one, it springs back. So it's no longer doing its job. So I could still use it, but then I'd have to go and manually lock it in like that, and the tension on the rope will keep it locked. And I don't know if that's a problem that I was having when I was trying to release the main sheet out there, because it's no longer spring loaded. I wasn't able to release the sheet at one time. I don't know if it was just too much pressure or what, but anyways, so yesterday we went out, we bought a replacement one. It's not exactly the same, but it'll probably do the job. We may eventually replace this whole block system anyways, but with a different one, I'm not quite happy the way this here works in terms of trying to sheet it in and trying to release it. But we'll do this for now, and it'll give us some sailing pleasure for the rest of the year.
Welcome to my channel. I'm Lucilla, and with my partner Paulo, we have been sailing this corner of Lake Ontario on and off for over 20 years as members of boat sharing clubs. We have just bought a Catalina Capri 26, and we can't wait to share with you the joys and tribulations of being first-time boat owners. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and be notified of more upcoming videos. In our previous video, we had sailed the Odyssey under very breezy conditions. It was during this time that the Mainsheet Cam Cleat started to fail. The ball bearings came loose and fell into the companionway.
Okay, that's right, I had that. Okay, there we go. That worked. So, put the screws through it. It seems to fit in, kind of. Yeah, okay. Yeah, it's fitting.
Oh, look, he made a temporary holder.
A little catch for my,
Yeah.
for my,
Clever.
yeah, that's me, Mr. Clever. Okay, make sure you don't put it backwards. Oh, screwed up already.
What did you do?
Forgot to run the line through it. I gotta run the line through it.
Oh,
Okay,
I see.
first, take one out.
Yeah.
Fine. Not a big deal. And make sure that the camera's in the right position, so it's gotta lock this way, not the other way.
After 29 years, we were replacing the original Garhauer Cam Cleat with this aftermarket part, the Barton Midi Cam Cleat. Although it may not last us long, on the plus side, it will get us sailing for the rest of the summer.
A bit of a not lining up all that well, is it? Should go in. It does. Oh, here we go. Okay. No, it did. It just pushed it. Okay. I know what to do. Alright. Maybe. Something not quite match. Sometimes what happens when you buy these aftermarket things, I guess.
So we're having, what, some problems trying to
Fit it in.
fit it in?
Oh, maybe I can drive it through. Okay, let's go. Kind of on. Okay, so this is a little bit mismatched because it is an aftermarket product. Able to sort of thread these bolts through into this resting plate, and I'm trying to install the locking nuts. These are not new locking nuts, so they go in okay. So I didn't really strip out the thread the thread on the screws all that much, I don't think. They're still going in. My biggest problem now is I don't have a wrench for this size to try and tighten this thing into place. So let's see if I can do this. The original one is manufactured by the same people that manufacture the block, or at least supplied by them, which is a Gerhauer. It is an aluminum body cam. This was all plastic. It's some sort of a hard plastic. I don't know exactly what kind of what its properties are, but it will likely not last anywhere near as long as this. So this has probably been here on the boat for about 30 years. I don't think this has ever been changed. This will probably last, I don't know, 3, maybe 4 seasons, worst case. Best case, that is. Also depending on how much sailing we do with it. We can be pretty hard sailors. Yeah, we go out there, we let it heal a lot. I don't think this boat's ever healed as much as we've made it heal so far. So we'll see.
Right after the installation, we went out for a sail.
Yes, I know I did it, and yes, it is working, at least for now. If there are any failures with this, I will not record them.
So we're keeping a close eye on the clouds to the north of us. The weather forecast has said that there might be a chance of thunderstorms later in the afternoon. And it's only, what, 12:30 right now. So we'll give it a sail for maybe an hour or two. But we'll stay close to the marina or to the port, so that if we need to get back right away, we can do it over close by.
Can't even see where our port is anymore.
It's so
hazy.
Hazy. Yeah, right.
Can't even see. We're totally lost, to be honest. And we're not that far off either. Maybe 2 miles off shore. Like 2.5 kilometers, 3 kilometers more or less. And we can't see anything. I do have, my GPS is old, and I no longer have software to be able to load in the charts for Lake Ontario. I can go down the Caribbean and sail down there, it's still in there. In a situation like this where we can't really stick anything on land, we have no idea where the entrance into the port is. And the idea is actually I can still use this. If I put down a marker on it, if I record a location just outside of the channel entrance, that way I can always pull it up and I can navigate to it.
It was a breezy day for a sail. However, eventually it became overcast and rain started to fall. Well, it's our first time sailing in the rain.
With our boat.
With our boat. Yeah.
Didn't really expect this, but it's on us.
Well, they said 30% chance of rain in late afternoon. It's not late afternoon, but it's
1:20.
yeah. What do you want to do? Do you want to head back then? Let's head back.
No, the idea was to head back and go in anchor, right?
You want to anchor in the rain? No. Okay, well let's head back and get back to the slip. At least we have this bimini to keep us dry for a bit. It's not heavy rain right now. It's just a light sprinkling of rain. And hopefully it'll ease up soon.
we should jive later. So,
Alright.
if we jive, we're gonna go in the marina. Straight there. Okay. Yeah, it'll be more or less on the direct course to the marina.
Okay.
Just barely make it out over there. Okay, you wanna handle the lines, yeah?
Yeah, I'll handle the line. So,
Okay.
I'll
Okay, Mainsheet. Hard, girl, hard. That's pretty good. Okay.
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 Alright, Lenny.
Okay. Dive home. Nice and easy.
Okay.
Okay.
I think the rain has stopped too. A little bit. Oh.
Yeah.
There? Okay.
Okay, yeah,
I'm heading up to it. Once we decided to head back to the marina, we took the sails down. Okay. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it very much. Until the next time, fair winds to all.